Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to turn off TikTok profile views. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So turning off TikTok profile views is pretty much very simple. All you gotta do is simply tap open your TikTok. Once you open your TikTok, all you gotta do now is simply tap on the profile option. Once you tap on profile, you can simply tap on the three hamburger like icon on the top right, or simply tap on the footstep like icon right besides the arrow button. Once you simply do it, you can find the settings option right over there, tap on it, and now you can simply turn the toggle on the left hand side of the corner to simply turn it off. So this way no one can know that you are viewing their profile, but on the other hand, you can also not know who has viewed your profile. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.